Hi. In the previous video we saw the GMS Cloud subscription self-sign up, and now we're going to follow that process through. Having initially done a trial setup, we're now going to do a purchase a subscription via the dashboard that's available via the Cordano website. So we need to go to the website, and then we need to select login, which is our dashboard login under the cloud option. We're going to use the credentials we defined previously with the fictional Theo character, and we put our credentials in, username and password, and then we're going to log into the dashboard and review the features which are available on the dashboard and indeed buy a subscription. So the initial view we have in the dashboard is of the details provisionally provided by Theo, which are our alter ego for Tristan Potter. And you'll note immediately on the primary dashboard view we've got a number of primary options: dashboard, account, service resources, web space. We saw web space briefly in the previous video, which is our webmail client. We've got a purchase option, of course, which we'll do in a minute. And we've got a knowledge base option, which is ability to access FAQs on the overall GMS service and the cloud service. We can change our details as required. Theo Plank, maybe it doesn't want to be called Theo Plank anymore. We've got some FAQs which complement the overall knowledge base. And we can manage our purchases with a direct login to Avangate, which is our payment processing provider. So back to the primary dashboard view. Let's have a quick look at the knowledge base entries here. We've got a pretty extensive knowledge base in addition to the service resources FAQ. We've also got some other features here. We can raise a support ticket, and we can also directly log into the admin UI of the service, and we'll do that a bit later on. But firstly, we're going to buy a subscription. Now we can buy annual, or we can buy monthly. Monthly is a rolling or a manually renewed monthly. We're going to do a manually renewed monthly in this instance. So we come to the payment processing platform. You saw that previously when we set up the trial. We need to put our details in here, obviously, and some payment details. We're going to buy 5 seats. It's £18 including local taxes. So we'll put in some real information here, as it's a purchase, the credit card purchase. After we've done this purchase, we'll come back to the dashboard. We'll have a little look at some additional functionality which allows us to access the administrative features of the product itself. So we can continue here. We've got I redacted the payment details, hence the cut there. Now we're going to complete the process of paying for the subscription. We'll turn off auto renew in this instance anyway. So now we place the order. And we arrive back at the dashboard after the conclusion of those payment processes. This will shortly be updated with details of the new purchase, 5 seats, which are on a monthly basis. That's all displayed on the primary dashboard view. Now, after we've done this, we've done a full purchase. We were initially running a trial on a subdomain in a trial basis. We may now wish to provision a full domain. So we're going to move from my account at subdomain.gms-cloud.com to my account at mydomain.com. So we do a single sign-on to the instance we provisioned during the trial process, and we log straight into that. Now in this interface here, we're going to select the add company domain option. We're not going to go through that now, but this is the place where you would do this process. And you can validate by 2 different methods as required. And you can add users at this stage also. That would be appropriate after doing a full buy subscription. So next you're going to learn about some more features of web space if you'd like to move on to the next video. But for the time being, thank you for your attention, and I hope this is informative.